Do you know how crucial water is for your health? It's more than just a thirst quencher, it's an essential elixir for life. Water is the lifeblood that courses through our veins, nourishing every cell, every organ, our skin, our brain, and even our mood. It's a powerful detoxifier, an energy booster, and a key player in weight management. It's the unsung hero in our daily lives, working behind the scenes to keep us functioning optimally. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the science of hydration. Water is not just a thirst quencher, it's vital for our survival. This clear, refreshing liquid is a powerhouse, performing essential functions in our bodies. It aids in regulating our body temperature, transporting nutrients, and flushing out waste products. But how does it do this? Well, water is the medium in which all the biochemical reactions in our bodies occur. It's like the highway system of our bodies, facilitating the transport of essential nutrients to cells and carrying away waste products to be excreted. Now imagine a highway with no cars. That's what happens when we're dehydrated. The nutrients can't reach our cells and waste products can't be removed efficiently, leading to fatigue, impaired cognitive performance, and even mood swings. Experts like nutritionists and fitness trainers emphasize the importance of drinking enough water daily. They recommend drinking at least 8 glasses a day, but this may vary depending on your body size and activity level. As you can see, water truly is a life-giving elixir. Hydration is more than drinking 8 glasses of water a day. It's about maintaining a balance that your body needs to function optimally. Every cell, tissue, and organ in your body requires water to work properly. But how much water is enough? While the 8 glasses a day rule is a good starting point, individual needs can vary based on factors like age, climate, and physical activity. Signs of dehydration aren't always as clear-cut as feeling thirsty. Fatigue, dizziness, and even mild mood swings can be indicators that your body needs more water. Now, if plain water seems a bit bland to you, there are plenty of ways to make hydration more exciting. Infuse your water with fruits or herbs for a burst of natural flavor. Herbal teas and clear broths also contribute to your hydration needs. Remember, making hydration a priority can boost your health in surprising ways. Now that you're aware of the importance of hydration, the power to transform your health is in your hands. Water is the simplest yet most effective way to boost your energy, improve skin health, enhance cognitive function, and so much more. It's not a trend or a fad, it's a fundamental necessity. Making hydration a daily priority is one of the best decisions you can make for your well-being. So are you ready to take the plunge and make hydration a priority? Your body will thank you.